Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I've got a 2004 Lexus RX, and this car has done 340,000 miles, and we're going to fire the engine up and get you to hear the engine sound. We're going to give it a few revs as well. Just bear with us. I think the starter's catching a little bit there. Other than that, this car, well, it's done some mileage, and the owner says it's been very reliable. Engine still sounds fairly smooth. Now we're going to rev it 5 times for you. There we go. Mega reliable cars. Let's just show you around the back by the exhaust. Tell you what, it could do with a clean. Well, exhaust sounds alright. Okay, we're going to go back around the front. Right, so it's got an engine management light on, and the owner tells me it's an O2 sensor, which is booked in. It's also sent the VSC light on as well, which is linked to that, they reckon. They reckon it should cure it. Anyway, I suppose we better switch it off then. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.